So students, I would like to repeat this once again. We were doing Act 1, Scene 1 in the previous class. And this was the extract. Boatswain, none that I more love than. And the question is, what did the boatswain instruct everyone to do? Write down the answer, please. Write down the answer. The boatswain asked everyone, the boatswain asked everyone to follow the instructions of whose instructions?
Master.
The master.
Absolutely correct. Asked everyone to follow the instructions of the master of the ship. The master of the ship. He further warned them to go below the decks. He further warned them to go below the decks. Once again, I would like to repeat that you get 3 extracts from the drama Tempest. And remember this, you would be getting questions like this in this proportion: 1 plus 1 plus 1.5 plus 2.5 plus 2, like this, equal to 10. So no need to write any lengthy answers. You'll have to be qualitative rather than quantitative. Yes, read out the next question related to this extract.
Who makes an exit after that? After this?
Who makes an exit after this? Let's see. चलिए देखते हैं जरा कौन exit करता है. ये देखिए, here's the answer. This is what I do with the students: paraphrase reading and then paraphrase extracts. Write down boatswain. Boatswain makes an exit. So there is no need to write a story that who makes an exit and then you start discussing about the boatswain. Sorry. 1 mark question up to the mark. That's it. No need to write it in one word. Write it in one sentence. That's it. Next question.
So finished.
Bus. So finished.
Excellent. So readers, be ready. One boy would be Gonzalo. One boy would act and read as Gonzalo. One girl would be Antonio. One girl would be Sebastian. One boy would be Boatswain. Please start. Gonzalo, start reading the extract. Very, very important.
Gonzalo, I have a great comfort from this fellow. Methinks he hath no drowning mark upon him. His complexion is perfect gallows. Stand fast, good fate to his hanging. Make the rope of his destiny our cable, for our own doth little advantage. If he be not born to be hanged, our case is miserable.
Okay, I have written something for you people. This extract is completely related to it. Gonzalo comments and he actually contradicts the boatswain. He dislikes the boatswain. Reason why? Because earlier we had come to the notice that Gonzalo even warned the boatswain that mark your words, mind your tongue, because there is an important man, obviously very, very important person, VVIP on the ship. He is none other than Alonso. Then to the boatswain is misbehaving with everyone. See, this is the point of view. This is the perception of Gonzalo and his team. Rather, boatswain is only doing his task because he very well knows how to control the ship rather than Gonzalo and his team. Therefore, he comments that, okay, I have got it. Gonzalo says, this man will definitely be hanged. He is born to be hanged. I'm very sure. Why does he say this? Because once the ship reaches to Naples, Alonso will definitely hang him. Alonso is the king of Naples. So he says that the ropes that we are using here on this ship will be of no use, and the rope by which he would be hanged would be doing a better task. If he survives this storm, Gonzalo says, if he stands for boatswain. If the boatswain survives this storm, I am very sure, I can guarantee you that he will definitely be hanged. So this is what Gonzalo says, and he makes an exit along with the other courtiers. Mark this, he makes an exit along with the other courtiers. So here is extract number 2. Everyone mention the heading. Everyone mention the heading, extract number 2. Note down the first line. I have great comfort from this. ... Our case is miserable. Our case is miserable. Question 1. What is the figure of speech in the first line? That is, I have great comfort. What is the figure of speech in the first line? I have great comfort from this fellow. Again, question mark. Who is this referred in the above extract? I don't know whether you people have become an expert in finding out the figure of speech. Can anyone tell me what is the figure of speech?
Sir, alliteration.
Alliteration. Oh, from this fellow. No, beta, come to a closer point. और भी close point पे आइए. What could be the possible figure of speech?
Sir, irony.
Absolutely correct, Sahaj. And why did you say this? Irony? I want to know the reason.
Sir, because there was no comfort that he was giving.
Absolutely correct. Rock solid answer. Wonderful presence of mind in the class. How can someone who is going to die in a tempest, anytime anyone can die in a tempest, use such word comfort? And that too from the fellow who is a disturbing character. Write down the answer. The figure of speech here is irony. Gonzalo uses a sarcastic tone. Gonzalo uses a sarcastic tone. This, who is this referred to?
So the boatswain. Boatswain.
लिख लीजिए, write it down. Coming to question 2. Question 2. What is the synonym of the term? What is the synonym of the term destiny? How does Gonzalo describe the death of this in the above extract? Very clever way of questioning the students. What is the synonym of the term destiny? How does Gonzalo describe the death of this? And this, you people have already answered it. This refers to the boatswain. Yes, class.